This thing on? The PanoX V3. It's been really interesting so far. It's got a couple features. You can see it's got a really big screen. It's got some buttons on the exterior. That's a power button on this side. That's a mode button and a record button. The mode button is really cool because you can set different quick modes. This is what I want my camera to do. You set it and you can switch between those modes really quickly and easily. Right now it's in 5.7K, 30 frames a second. It does shoot up to 8K, but we're not using that setting right now. The nice thing though is that it has a larger sensor because of that. So it's supposed to be better at low light and it's supposed to have better clarity overall. Right now we're using the exact same settings that I use on my Insta360 cameras, which is 5.7K, 30 frames a second. But there's also some other cool features about this camera. As you can see, it has a removable battery down here and removable lenses. So if you ever damage your lenses, you just unscrew those, get some new ones from PanoX, and you're good to go. So yeah, let's get this bike on the road. I just bled my back brake the other day, so it's another test as well. Get this thing running. We're gonna head up to the top of Mount Lemon. We'll see you there. I found out tracking mode is 1080p only, but here's what a clip looks like, in case you wanted to see. Tracking mode, we're gonna move the handlebars around, you know. I think it works pretty cool. So, I'm really curious about this. It lasted for like an hour and 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Like an hour, about, somewhere within that range.
Charge them while you were using it.
And then I plugged it in.
Oh.
Yeah. So it worked for about an hour.
Okay.
And then I plugged it in afterwards, and it's sitting at 7%. And it's just like, yeah, I'm fine. I'll keep recording if you want. But it gets down low. It gets down to like, I think it was like 8%. And then it was like, okay, I'm stopping the recording. I'm going to save everything. And I'm going to put a big thing on the screen. The other cool part is this thing, when you turn the screen off,
Yeah.
you're just turning off the backlight. The digitizer is still running the image, so when the sun is shining on it,
I see it.
now you can see it all of a sudden.
Ah.
So instead of it being like, well, we're trying to fight the sun,
Yeah.
you literally turn off the backlight and you just go like this and you're like, oh, I can see everything.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's crazy. Like it's a totally different way of using a screen, because like it uses so much less power.
Yeah.
You can still check it anytime you want.
Old school Game Boy.
It's really cool. I like that they did that. Yeah, but overall, I'm liking this thing. It's working really solidly. Hasn't had any issues at all, and I think where I have the cable, I think that it's not going to be able to see it at all.
See?
Maybe. I think the audio is going to be better on this too.
Yeah.
Yeah, because from what I can tell, and what they were doing with the original, like the pilot Pano, I'll have to put a quick release on here at some point. We have plenty of them. I really like the lens cap on this thing. It's super, super tight. Like, that's not going anywhere. You can literally hold the camera from it and rip it around, and it's not going anywhere. That's pretty sweet. From what they were doing on the last one, well, that's version 1. This is version 3. The audio would choose which mics are getting good audio. So, like, if one mic is peaking and the other one's not, it's gonna give you the one that's not. Yeah. All right, let's test this thing.